like the decorations. Oh, these chairs are comfortable. They're like lean back a little bit.
Oh yeah. Chef specials. Samosas.
Get whatever you want.
Soft shell crab next.
Oh, the chef specials?
Yeah. Spicy mussels.
Those are the starters.
Fried chive dumplings. Royal surf and turf red curry. We'll check those out. Mommy spring rolls, crab ragout, summer rolls. Angel is in a basket. Marinated shrimp and cream cheese wrapped in rice paper and deep fried. Huh.
Where's this?
It's an appetizer. Entrees.
These are expensive.
Get whatever you want. I got that check.
For $30-something.
Hey, well, it'll pay for one entree. Wasn't money I was expecting to see again. Lo mein, stir-fried noodles.
I think I'm in the mood.
These aren't expensive at all.
No,
These are like $20. These are great.
I'm in the mood for noodles.
Let's get a lo mein dish.
Okay.
Or noodle dish, whatever noodle
Yeah.
dish you want. And then
Okay.
let me see what the back is here. So this is all tofu, salads. Yeah, these are all 25.
Just
Do you want a curry?
Thai tamarind noodle.
On the
Curry.
back, there's all these different curries.
Yeah, the noodle. Thai curry noodle. That's what I want. Thai curry noodle with
Oh, there it is. Thai curry noodle. Yeah, get that.
chicken.
Ooh, duck noodle soup.
Green curry noodle or steamed egg noodle with yellow curry sauce served with it. That's with shrimp tempura.
Okay.
I don't want that. I want it, but not with shrimp tempura. I want it with chicken. I'll see if they can do it with chicken.
What is it? What is it?
This right here. Cow soy tempura.
Mmm.
I want to see if they'll do it with not the shrimp. You get whatever you want.
Well, you're getting a noodle dish, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to try something else. This is fresh ginger and brown sauce with bell pepper, baby corn, mushroom, onion, and scallion. And I'll get that with maybe beef.
Yeah.
How's that?
Yeah. If they can't do this one with
Yeah.
chicken instead,
Can't you just get the one on top?
I'll get the one on top. One of the red curry or green curry one on top with chicken.
Sure. But this is like a soup, right? Oh no, it's not.
This is like a curry noodle or
Oh,
something noodle
gotcha.
with the curry sauce.
Okay, cool. All right, let's do it. So I'll try fresh ginger, beef.
It was computer science.